Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're doing a phone background. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out AV to cycles, and I'm going to put this to the side right here. And what I'm going to do is let's go ahead with view, align view, and camera to view. When it decides to work. There we go. Okay. So, what we're going to do next is go into the output and then type in your phone screen dimensions via pixel. And we'll do the opposite onto the opposite side, so 3088. Alright, so once we've got something like this, let's go ahead and have a look-see-loo. So, what we're going to do to begin with, let's go with this cube right here. Let's go with G. And we'll move this forward just a little bit. S the scale. We can do R for rotate. And then R for rotate again, just to put this on its side. And what we'll do, we'll put the lighting just to one side at the moment. And I'm going to do two lightings actually. I think I'll do a red and blue and a white or something coming from underneath. So let's go with Shift D. Move this up and rotate this round. You can go ahead and put some textures on here if you want to. So we could do shading right here, just at the top. Principal BSDF, material output. We could do texture, magic texture or something on this one. Let's see. Scale this outwards just ever so slightly. Okay, so once we've got something like this, we can go ahead and we can add, say, like a colour ramp or something like that. And I mean, you could have anything on here. Like a nice little blue or something. I don't know. Just something with patterns, a little bit of texture. And you'll see that it's changed the bottom one as well because it's the same material. So, regardless, let's go to the layouts version right here. And I'm going to select these two cubes, Shift D. Move these maybe to the side right here, to the side right here. Let's select all six that we've just made. Shift D, move these back a little bit as well. So, you know what, to be honest with you, I might as well split this so you guys can see. Let's go view, camera, active camera. And essentially what we're going to do at this point is just kind of place these in the back as such. Just going to put them in a random pattern, I guess. And then we'll take the camera itself. We'll go to the data section, the depth of field. Use the dropper right here to select the cubes at the front. And then go ahead and turn down the f-stop. So now we should have this blurred background and these kind of cubes up at the front. You can go ahead and take the background and kind of duplicate it a little bit more. As such. And then duplicate these as well. And then maybe we could grab this and just press G. Hey buddy. My dog's just come in. And then just kind of position them as such in the back. So what we could do then is, once we've got this, let's go ahead and add the lighting at the front as well. So Shift D. You know what, I'm going to do blue with these. This is kind of look nice with the blue. So yeah, some like kind of depth of field, default cubes with some patterns on them. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in the next one. Bye.